Okay, so another video support. So relative velocities 33. A canoe has a velocity of 0.4 meters per second southeast. I think we have to draw this one. As I told you, I'm not good in drawing, but I have to, because we can analyze things by simple drawings, of course. Wala karatasi hindi mo pa mag-drawing. Sinsya. So a canoe, so you have a canoe 0.40 meters per second relative to the earth. So canoe with respect to earth. So canoe E, C, ibutang pa lang CE. So you have a canoe southeast. So our east would be on the right side. Where's my paint? Oh my paint. You have a canoe. I can draw a canoe. Maybe just like this, and it is moving southeast. Okay, then you have a river, diba? Moving to the east. Go back to the problem. A canoe has a velocity of 0.4 meters per second southeast relative to the earth. So that is 0.4 meters per second because we're looking at the earth. So our drawing is just like that. So that is 0.40 meters per second relative to the earth. So if it's southeast, actually it is expected that it's 45 degrees bearing. You have to look at the bearing. Pag diri nga i-specify it at angle. May north of east 35 degrees mga sadit ya. So this is expected maliban kung maghatag yan angle ha. So that is the default for that word southeast. In yung word southeast, that is 45 degrees. The canoe is on a river that is flowing 0.5 meters per second east. Relative flowing 0.5 meters per second east. Flowing east. So tipakadtiya east. So 0.5 meters per second. So this river is going to that side at 0.5 meters per second. So we have to, I think the best thing is we have to put the notation with it. So this is the velocity of the canoe with respect to the earth. Okay, while this one is the velocity, that is the velocity of the river with respect to earth. Okay, and then the question is find the velocity of the canoe relative to the river. So the canoe relative to the river, that would be the velocity of the canoe with respect to river. So that is the question. So for you to arrive at this one, you have to look at your formula. So if you want to satisfy this one, so you should have a velocity of the canoe with respect to the earth plus the velocity of canoe with respect to earth and the velocity of the earth with respect to the river. Okay, if you want to satisfy this equation, because the earth would be minus o matatanggal, di ba, from the formula. So you have here, that is the VRE, while this one is the VER. This one is correct, VCE, but this one is not. So what you're going to do is you're just babaliktaran mo lang niya, because this is opposite reaction. Of course, from the third law of Kuan, this is action-reaction con force siya, but this is vector. So if you change this one, earth with respect to the river, you should just negate it, because just like this, the velocity of the earth with respect to river is just the negative of the velocity of the river with respect to the earth. Imagine niyo. So ibig sabihin kung imagine na doon, imo river na kiwa to the east, and then nakapuno dit imo it imo earth. So, kung imagine nimo imo river diri na kiwa, it imo earth para magkamay ada ito ang motion, it imo earth, itim pakiwahon, makayan man pagkiwat imo earth, it should move to the left, which is the opposite side. Nakita niyo yung frame of reference? We know that the river will be moving with respect to the earth. But actually, in concept, kung nakiwa ito nga river, pero bagan imo freeze, diba? Tapos tugutan nimo nga aniya background kumiwa, where should it go para pareho ito yung nga iragin istoryahan? So it should move to the left. So that should be a negative. This would hold true. The velocity of the earth with respect to the river is equal to the negative at the velocity of the river with respect to earth. So meaning this equation VC over R is just equal to VC over E minus V of R with respect VCE, that would be a VRE. That should be just a negative VRE. Sir, paano man to, sir, matatanggal? Sir, di na yan natatanggal, ano? Maybe another to put this is, you have to solve, may nakita niya equation. Actually, pwede na tiya. Pero kung nalilipungan ka mo, pwede ka mo sumering lot. Another one, how to approach this one. I think insolve ko yan una, iba nga pamaagi. Proper lagi hapon. But of course, with respect to the formula, kaya bagan di rin na yan na-satisfy. So, VCR, you want to solve, usually kasi problem is VC with respect to Earth. Amatiya to normal niya with respect to the non-moving frame, which is the Earth. So, that VCE is actually equal to VC with respect to the river plus V river with respect to the earth. Okay? While you want to solve this one. So meaning, if you want to solve this one, inihiya makatwa kaloyo. The VCR would just be equal to the VCE minus the VRE. Diba? Pareho laga pa di, oh. Diba? So you could do it like that. Kaya ni kasi permanentiya with respect to the non-moving frame of reference, which is the earth. Iniya, the generalized one. But of course, you can do this also. Diba? Just like how I derived it kanina. Okay? So you still have the same formula, and then all you have to do is just substitute the VC with respect to the river. That should be the VCE. The VCE, your VCE lang is, of course, southeast. So that should be a 0.4 I 45. That would be a cosine 45 I, because that's a vector quantity. Cosine 45 I hat. Nganhin, positive, so that negative an imo Y. Diba? An imo Y is going down. So that should be a negative 0.4 sine. Diba? 45 J hat. Okay? While your river is, that is the VCR. The VCE. The velocity of the canoe with respect to the earth. And now, you have to negate the VRE. VRE, this is the VRE. So that would be and then X lahiya, so that would be a 0.5 meters per second cosine, waray na, cosine 0 man, so that is 1. So, pwede ko lang tanggalon nga cosine 0. So, that is still 1. Manipis takon ballpen. So, that is just 0.5 and then I hat. Diba? So, negative, so positive man niya didi, pero negative yung adaan formula. So, what happens, you have a 0.4 cosine 45 minus 0.5. So, you have 0.4 cosine 45 minus 0.5. Okay? And that would be your I hat. For your J hat, that would be a 0.4 sine 45 J hat. Okay? So you have an I hat and an j hat. So that would give you 0.4 cosine 45 minus 0.5 and that will give you negative tama man ano? Negative 0.5. Okay, so that would be a negative 0.21715.7 kumpletong ko la, and that would be a meters per second I hat. And then of course your 0.4 sine 45, and that would give us 0.28 0.282843 on your j hat, and you will see that you both have a negative value for your x and y. So meaning for your VCR, so this is sorry, may dapangayon ni mga ulo-ulo for the vector. So if you want the velocity of the CR, the magnitude, that would be the square root of 0.217157 squared plus 0.282843 squared. Okay? Then you have nayotrong ko lang para direct naglalabot tira significant figures. Okay, and then you have alpha a squared plus alpha b squared, so square root alpha a squared plus alpha b squared. So the answer is 0.35. So 0.357 pagpiran ginhatag na significant figure. So tag 2, so pwede na niya 0.36. So the answer is 0.36 meters per second, and the direction is going to the negative, that is third quadrant, papunta siya rito. Yung velocity niya medyo mahirap isipin kasi yung velocity of the canoe with respect to the river, hindi yun with respect to the earth. So parang di mo yan makikita. Diba? Or parang kung ikaw nakasakay sa canoe, yung feeling mo kasi is with respect to the earth ka. But if you will put something on the river, makikita mo na totoo yung usually natetesto siya if ever mayroong experiment na ganito. Maybe you can just put a color with respect to the moving canoe, and you will see that the angle that it will be making is like this. Actually, you can just imagine. Anyway, imagine lang tayo ng imagine kasi wala pa tayong lab, unfortunately. So that would be a negative. So that would be an arctan, and that will give you a point. So alpha. Ina-alpha ko na lang. And that would give you a arctan. Kasi may negative dun sa alpha. 0.282843 divided by 0.217157. And that will give you 52.5. So itong angle na to is 52.5 degrees. So kung sa quiz to lumabas, of course, yung answer dito is 180 plus 52.5 because palagi ako from the positive x, which will give you 232 degrees with respect to the positive x-axis. But again, sa book siguro that should be a 52.5. Okay? So thank you guys for listening.